welcome to another Bulgarian workout. This is obviously the second day of this new training program that I've adapted to, or at least been convinced that I can use this program to bring my strength up, to increase my strength. And we are going to run this as far as I can, as far as I'm able to recover well and push the weight, increase the weight, and get better at it. Is obviously I don't want to listen to any kind of hard music or anything which is going to motivate me. I'm just listening to a podcast when I'm working out. Number two is I completely removed supplements pre, during, or post workout. For a matter of fact, I don't use any supplements now except melatonin, which I just use in the night. And the third thing is nutrition. I've actually scaled down on the carbs because obviously just doing one rep maxes and some body weight exercises is not really going to consume a lot of calories. And other than the heavy singles, I'm actually also doing some body weight exercises which I'm not filming here, but I'm actually doing few pull-ups, push-ups, and good mornings as of now, because I don't want to do any extra quad work or arm work, because obviously the pressing is going to really fatigue my triceps and shoulders. So I'm just trying to do some banded and body weight exercises to fix the imbalances. Front squat, I actually didn't pause at the bottom today. I was actually a little bit in fear because I thought I'll miss the lift, because I'm not front squatted 135 in some time now. As you can see, the lift moved pretty fast, pretty happy, than better than what I had actually expected, and I'm happy with that. And floor press, again, as you can see, I set up the pins really low, and it was just unracking it from the J hooks was like a wrap for me. Anyways, I just wanted to do it clean, nice, soft pause at the bottom, because that's what we want here in floor press. As you can see, it's almost like a 6-second pause. um, just 135, because I'm just trying to gradually increase. Next week we'll add 5 pounds to these lifts and see how we can go from there. Deadlifts, again, I'm just going to be doing my daily minimum for this week, which is 225. This is 135. It just jumped off the floor, and we're going to the actual weight now, which is 225, my daily minimum bench. It actually went pretty fast. I'm really skeptical about doing a lot of reps on the bodyweight stuff, because this training is fairly new to me, and I really don't want this to interfere with my actual barbell training. And that's the reason I'm limiting the reps to 30 to 50 reps per day, and we'll take it up from there, because I actually felt that my strength on the chin up was relatively a bit low when compared to the previous weeks. I'm not really sure why that is, but I felt that it's just because of the introduction of this program, or maybe I will adapt to this by next week. But I'm not really sure. Let's see how the workout progresses. This is just the second day,